action.
Hey guys, Ryan Stevens with Gwatney Performance Innovations. I want to take a few minutes to demonstrate our new LT Gen 5 engine valve spring compressor. Will work in chassis or on the bench. The LT heads inherently have a taller valve cover rail, which makes it more difficult to change the valve spring with a conventional style compressor without damaging the head surface. And you know, most guys are going to have the heads off of the car to change the springs at least the first time when they replace their AFM lifters, but this spring will make that easier even on the bench, changing 2 springs at a time, as well as when you go through and refresh your springs at, you know, whatever interval, 15, 20, 25,000 miles. So here we go. The LT head, having a canted and splayed valve, makes the current tools that are on the market ineffective at changing the springs on these. Alright, at this point we're going to install our new hardware. We grabbed some spring seats and seals for demonstration use. Don't flame me, guys. I've got one blue seal, one black seal. It is what it is today. Mr. Brian Tooley's 660 Platinum springs with titanium retainer. We just designed this this hat for the spring compressor to accommodate most of your common OD dual springs, which are around 1 inch and 320 thousandths, I believe. Here we go.
Well, I think it works pretty slick.
It's pretty smooth.
And that's a dual spring of what, about 160 pounds of seat pressure?
Depending on installed height, you know, 140 to 160 in most application. There we go.
Go.
Spring swap's made easy.
4 minutes flat, 4 minutes for 2. So,
Nope.
4/8, is that a 24-minute spring swap?
Well, it certainly is out of the chassis. We'll see how good they are in chassis.
All right. Any other words of wisdom about the spring tool? You want to do a close-up, right?
You know, we constructed this thing at 6061 aluminum. It's super basic. Stud design, nice thick washer, You know, this is the first trial with this tool, so you know, we may change something here or there, but otherwise, I mean, it works great as is. I don't really see anything at this time that needs to be addressed or modified to make the the slop work well.
So it just locates right here on the flats.
Yeah, we've got it. We've got it locating on the flats, and the back part of the tool, as you can see here, is almost right on top of the runner. It gives it zero chance of having any rocking back and forth. So
versus using a radius.
Yeah, versus using something that sits inside the radius area of the where the rocker trunnion would normally sit. So
as long as you don't get crazy on the torque, that should work out great.
Yeah, I mean, you snug them up. I mean, I'm using a 1/4 inch ratchet here. I mean, it's probably 15 foot-pounds or so. Just snug this thing down a little bit. It doesn't have to be crazy. And
great.
Zip the nut down, and you got a 7/8 wrench. You can use a socket, you know, whatever you want to use. So that's it.
All right, man. Hey.
Hey.
Thank you. Well done.
Yes.